Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Patreon Creator Dashboard, manage members and income step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in patreon.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Patreon website. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Keep me logged in. Click the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Creator Dashboard. On the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To manage your members, find the Memberships tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Memberships tab to see all your patrons. Here, you can view details about each member. To manage income, locate the Earnings tab in the sidebar. Click on the Earnings tab to see your revenue reports. This will provide insights into your monthly earnings and payouts. If you want to create new content for your members, go to the Posts tab. Click on Posts to draft and publish updates for your patrons. Remember to regularly check the dashboard for metrics and updates. Make any necessary adjustments to your content or membership tiers as needed. Continue engaging with your community to drive growth and interaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.